Hey, what up? This Cooking with the Rock. And today, I'm going to cook some breasts, but like stir-fry style, sear it, have it good in seasoning. But I also bought that food sealer, vacuum sealer. So, what I like doing, I like to cook my meats, beans, greens. I cook it in bulk. Then I save it and seal it up in individual packs because it's just me and my girl. So, I would put them in individual packs, for we can just take out beans. So I'm finna stir fry this chicken, which could be used in salads, wraps, anything you might want to choose. I like chicken salad, so I can still cut this up thinner, chop it up and make me a chicken salad. So we're gonna get it on and enough talking, and we're gonna get it down. Okay, this your boy. Hey. As you can see, I got my chicken. I've been had it marinated. I cut it up in nice little thin pieces. I have, the regular seasoned garlic, a little slap my mama, slap my cousin. But you believe it's going to be good. Whatever you like to do. And like my thing is, I always like marinating my stuff in olive oil right along with the seasons. Try that with fried chicken or any food. It seems to give the food more moisture. Try it out. Let me know how you think. So I got my cast down wok, and it's heating up, and I'm ready for it to put the chicken in there. I got a little vegetable oil because I already marinated it. And as you notice, I got a little oil in there. I think I might got a little too much. I might take some of that out. I think I am. Okay, as you can see, the wok is really getting heated up, and I think it's about ready to put this chicken on in there. And I think I'm going to do this in sections. I think I'm going to stir fry this in sections. And that's what you want, that searing. Oh yeah. And see, as you see, the key to this is to let it sit in one place. Ain't gonna hurt nothing. You want that sear on there for that good taste, and all the seasoning kind of like caramelizing it to the meat. Come on, y'all. Y'all know how I do it. Sometimes you might gotta put your little oil back in there, get it going. Because what I'm looking for is that nice sear on the chicken. You can also use this in tacos, for tacos. All you gotta do is put a little of that taco sauce in here. I think that's about ready to come up out of there. Yeah, I do. I think that's about ready to come up out of there, y'all. And reason why I made this channel is to help young people. It don't take long to cook something. And I try to make everything look so easy to give you some inspirations to start doing things for yourself. Just like, for instance, the beans and greens I'm saying. I could teach you different tools that you're going to need, like a pressure cooker and blase. Y'all got to eat healthy too, just because y'all young. Okay, like I told you, I had just got this here from Emu. My vacuum sealer, baby. So what I do, like I told you, I cook in bulk, then I seal my food up, freeze it. So whenever I want something, it's practically already vacuum sealed. I just have to pull it out. Depending on what it is, you can put it in boiling water. You can open it up, put it in the microwave, whatever you want to do with it. You can put it in the microwave with this. So I'm going to show you why I cooked all that chicken. And this is it. Okay, so put it on food, then put it on auto. Let's see what it do, baby. That's what I'm talking about right there, y'all. Look at that. That's exactly what I'm talking about. So see, I'm sealing this up for us to eat with a salad or whatever we like. And it's putting your food up and saving money and time. It's your boy, always making it look easy